Hello, friends. Today I'm going to show you some art that we created with our first and kindergarten classes. Look at this beautiful sunflower by Lilith, and she's in our kindergarten, Miss Asma's class. And we have flowers for mom. See, from Iana, she's a kindergarten, and for that, she said. And she made her a little sunflower. And these are more examples. Miranda, she even added a little leaf. Look at that. How creative. These are beautiful drawings from our kindergarten classes. This is from Penelope. Really nice. And then we have also first graders. Some really nice job. A little spiral here. Very nice. And look at this beautiful sunflower for mom with leaves and a stem. There's some really nice ones. Some of them are not finished, but I just wanted to show you a few. Oh, this is very nice. Letter for mom. And let's see what we have here. Maybe some more from the kindergarten classes. Oh, you can also crunch up the tissue paper like that. That's a good idea. Oh, this is really nice. Let me turn it around. Wow. Really, really nice. Here's another one. I think these are kindergarten ones too, not first grade. This is kindergarten. Maybe first grade. Let me see. Josiah. Oh, this is beautiful. Yes, this is from Miss Belia's class. Isn't that beautiful? And Ava from Miss Belia's class. Look how nice. JJ. Really nice work. Look at this one. So to get started, what we're gonna need for mom, really nice artwork. I like how we have all the grass here on the bottom. And this is really well done because we have all the drawing behind, which gives us a lot of textures. And I like all the textures in here. As you can see, really nicely done. So to get started, let's put these aside. To get started, we are going to take a paper. And first, we're going to write for mom. Flowers for mom, or I love you. You can write that first. I'm going to use markers so you can see it better. So I'm going to write for mom. Okay, and you can do a heart, color it. Nice big red heart. Then we can do a circle. You can copy a big circle with some object at home. It can be a lid, or it can be a tape like this, or you can just draw a big circle like this. Okay, and then we're gonna do triangles. Triangle. Nice and slow. But this one ended, you're gonna put it on this side like this, so it goes around the whole circle. So when this one ends, now it's gonna point down. And the triangle is pointing this way. And the triangle is gonna point this way. Now to this side. And it's gonna point this way. And it's gonna point this way. And this way. Now I'm gonna put triangles between the other triangles. I'll do a different color so you can see it better. This could be the leaves behind the flower petal. And I'm gonna make them smaller. Okay, like that. Or it can be the petals that are behind the sunflower petals. Okay, we're gonna do triangle in between each one. Okay, like this, just like this. And then we're gonna put all the seeds that are little circles. All the little circles are little seeds, and they're touching each other. We'll do all the seeds of the sunflower, just like this. All the seeds. all around. And some students even did a spiral. And you can even do spirals if you know how to do a spiral, sort of like a snail. You can do seeds, circles, dots, or you can do dots if you like that better. You can do dots, spirals. You can do long seeds like these, ovals. You can do any kind of seeds in the middle. You can do even circles around. Circles. And each circle can be a different color when you color it. And then we are going to do a stem, nice big stem, and big leaves. Some flowers have really big leaves, and it's one side up, one side down, and a line in the middle, and then like shape V, letter V, going and touching in the middle of the stem of the leaf, like a letter V. We're gonna put that on both sides. Like this, we are gonna put letter V on the stem. So V, 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 and V. Okay? And you can say, I love you. And all we have to do is finish coloring. We are gonna finish coloring this image, and then we're gonna tear paper. And I have another video how you're gonna tear paper and glue it once we finish coloring everything. Okay? The first part is we wanna color everything first really well before we move into the gluing part. So everything should be colored first. Lots of crayons you can use. We're gonna color everything first really well, and then we're gonna start gluing on top, okay? So let's get started. Now is your turn.